Westpark Plaza is located on Route 7 and Westpark Drive in Greensboro Boulevard. It's about an eighth of a mile from the Greensboro Metro Station. 1,200 units and 200 hotel rooms. There'll be about 25 stories at the highest level, stepping down to about 10 stories on the outer perimeter where the hotel is. It's a 5.5 acre parcel. It will ultimately contain 3 buildings. It'll be developed over phases. Phase 1 will be about a 550 unit. The next phase would be 650 units. And the last phase would be a hotel portion, which would be 200 to 250 hotel rooms. And those are all oriented around a neighborhood park. And the site planning of the property allows us to have a substantial center park area. We call it a neighborhood park, where there'll be a big open green space, walking, jogging paths in the center between the buildings, and a lot of other activity areas, volleyball, basketball, racquetball, that sort of thing, bocce ball, some more passive activities. But all those things can take place between the buildings and in a park area, which is probably a half an acre. So what we like about this project in particular is, one, its orientation to Metro, easily walkable. The commercial that will be between us and the Metro stations, which will afford an opportunity for people to live and work in the same community. We have another project right next to us that is going to be developing a substantial amount of retail. So it'll be a mixed-use project and quadrant along the Metro, which will allow our residents to stay in the community and live and work and play and enjoy the community and not have to do as much traveling.